Ever wondered why your centrifuge machine doesn't start, or why it vibrates excessively? Or perhaps you're puzzled by some unusual noises it's making. These are common issues that can occur with centrifuge machines, and today we're going to explore how to troubleshoot them. When your centrifuge won't start, the first step is to check the power source. Make sure the machine is properly plugged in and that the power cord and plug don't have any visible damage. Also, verify that the lid is securely closed and that the safety interlock is engaged. If the centrifuge still doesn't start, it could be due to an issue with the carbon brush. If it's not connecting properly to the armature, it will need to be replaced. Excessive vibration can be caused by an imbalance in the loaded samples or a problem with the rotor. Checking for damage or misalignment in the rotor, ensuring the samples are evenly loaded, and verifying that the centrifuge is on a stable surface can all help reduce vibrations. Unusual noises are often a sign of damage or wear to the rotor or loose components or foreign objects inside the centrifuge. Conduct a thorough inspection to identify and fix the issue. If the speed or timer of your centrifuge is inaccurate, calibrate the centrifuge according to the manufacturer's guidelines and ensure that the speed and timer settings are correctly input. Overheating can be prevented by cleaning ventilation components, checking the temperature control system for malfunctions, and reducing the load or duration of operation if necessary. Uneven separation can be caused by a sample imbalance, damage to the rotor, or an uneven surface. Checking these factors can help solve the issue. If your centrifuge is displaying error messages, refer to the user manual for the specific error code. Check for issues related to temperature, imbalance, or electrical problems, and if necessary, contact the manufacturer's support. The key to avoiding many of these issues lies in regular maintenance and care of your centrifuge. This includes regular cleaning, rotor inspection, balance checks, lubrication, checking electrical components, temperature control checks, alignment, and calibration. By following these troubleshooting steps and maintaining your centrifuge properly, you can ensure it operates efficiently and accurately, saving you time and headaches in the long run. Remember, when in doubt, it's always best to consult your manufacturer's guidelines or reach out to a professional.